Attract prosperity, attract prosperity, attract prosperity. Okay, I invite you to join us for our 30-day prosperity challenge. I am Wendy Blum, and our challenge is starting this week on the 1st of the month. Let's face it, so many people are complaining in their lives about what they don't have, or feeling lack, or feeling shame or doubt or worry around finances. It's the elephant in the room. It's the thing nobody actually really wants to talk about. And then you hear the language like, I'm broke, or I struggle, or times are tough, or the economy stinks. And then they're putting the blame outside of themselves, just saying it's the environment. The 30-day prosperity challenge works like this. You focus your energy on wealth, abundance, richness, good fortune, instead of the other, instead of the lack, fear, doubt, or worry. And what you focus on expands. And what happens is you start to activate a part of the brain called the RAS, the reticular activating system. It's why when you're buying a new car, all of a sudden, if you're buying a Tesla, all of a sudden you start to see Teslas everywhere. So when you focus on prosperity, you start to attract the right people and opportunities into your life. You'll also notice your language. You'll hear when you speak words of saying what you don't want instead of what you do want. And it'll give you an opportunity because you'll be focused on it every day to change your perspective, So it works threefold. You'll actually click the link in the description below. You'll get a complimentary copy of the gratitude guide and journal to attract prosperity. You can get a hard copy of the book also through the link if you desire. So you get a copy of the Gratitude Prosperity book. And then each and every day, you write down 3 things that you are grateful for. And there's lots of room for writing for each day. And what you write something that is related to prosperity, abundance. Someone buys you a cup of coffee, you find a dime on the floor, you get a coupon for 20% off for something that you need to buy at a department store. And what you focus on, what you put your energy on, you begin to feel. You'll feel the abundance flowing through. What I guarantee will happen is that you will attract more increase, more good fortune, more wealth, and more abundance into your life. Treat it like an experiment, like a test. And also doing it for 30 days creates a new habit. So you write down what you're grateful for in the area of abundance every day. You'll get an email with a prosperity prompt every day in your email box at 7 a.m. And then you'll be writing out your prosperity with a mantra. There is a mantra that correlates with every day, and I'll share it with you here. So there's 30 affirmations. For example, on day 1, I am so happy and grateful that money flows to me in increasing amounts consistently over time. Then you close your eyes. I am so happy and grateful that money flows to me in increasing amounts consistently over time. And you repeat it and repeat it. You repeat it 10 times. It activates the feeling of prosperity. And what you're doing is you are expanding limiting beliefs and you are rewiring your identity. I actually have a video about rewiring your identity, and you can click the link after you watch this video. And we also have a private Facebook group. I'll be coming here each and every week on YouTube with another topic related to attracting prosperity into your life. And so I'm super excited. I invite you to click the link now. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and comment and make the commitment. Hashtag 30-day prosperity challenge below. Remember that you are awesome, that you are worthy, that you are deserving of all of that prosperity now.